Hi, my name is Idala Ogufere and I am the FlexiMum coach. Yes, when you see this, you know. All right, I'm the FlexiMum coach here. I'm a mom to 4 boys and a mindful exercise expert, and I love to help people to become intentional about the health of their spirits, their soul, and their bodies. I started the FlexiMum Coach Company just to help you see fitness as a lifestyle. I want to be able to help you to go against all that noise that you hear on social media about fitness and just see it from the perspective of embracing it as a lifestyle. I'm going to be showing you a lot about how I make this thing very, very practical, right? Even as a mom to 4 boys, running my business where I get to coach clients and basically just help you to enjoy this journey. Okay, so welcome to my channel. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and also let's get into what we have today. Come on in. All right, so from the last episode, if you haven't watched it, you need to click somewhere. I'm going to drop the link somewhere in the caption. Ensure that you click it and follow and watch that episode. So today I'll be showing you how to use your journal to set a goal. Okay, so we are using the practical goal that we have set already, which is losing 5 kg in 30 days using portion control and physical activities. Knowing that there are other unhealthy ways to lose weight, which includes quick fixes. I don't do quick fixes. I don't teach you quick fixes because I believe that your body is a treasure, and whatever you do as visionaries, okay, I'm addressing visionaries here. I'm addressing you as a visionary. I believe in your dream. I believe in your goals, and I believe that every dream, every vision that you have is worthy of the process that you should put into it. Okay, so don't look for quick fixes. Visionaries don't do quick fixes. All right, that's a tweetable one right there. Visionaries don't do quick fixes. So let's get to the process. All right, so as a visionary, okay, you should have this fitness journal. This is my own journal. You can see that it's filled up already, so you can get your own copy. Check www.theflexiMumcoach.com/shop. You can get that, all right, hard copy or soft copy available. Okay, so I'm just basically teaching you how to use this journal. In here is like a 90-day this is, so you can even do your 30-day journal in, just enjoy your journaling experience. Okay, so in 30 days we're trying to lose 5 kg. That's the one we selected last episode, so you don't want to miss that. Go check that video. And we have a place where you basically just write it out. There's a part where you write your monthly goals. We've told you about setting clear goals, so you're just taking that one goal and you're making it you're going to stick to that goal, right? So you write it there. Then also the next thing you want to do is to measure yourself. Okay, so if your goal is to lose weight, this is what you do. So if you have any other goal, you can feel free to reach out to us and we will help you to break it down. Okay, so this is what you do with this goal. You basically write out your measurements, and we have measurements for your weight, your right arm, left arm, chest or bust, waist, hips, thighs, left thigh and calf, and all of that. So that will help you to be able to monitor your growth, monitor your improvements. Okay, so if you had watched the first video, you understand what I'm talking about when I meant that's the output. So when you begin to see progress, because week by week you can actually start feeling better once you are consistent. Okay, so once you are consistent with your goal, you are always clocking in, even if it's 4 to 5 workouts every week, you're good to go. Even if it's 3 times a week, you're actually good to go. Then once you have written all these things out, what you need to do now is to ensure that your meal portion is right, your working out is right. You can also document your workout, document your affirmations, document what you are feeling today, and what you have eaten, the portion and everything. You just fill that in right there, and also make yourself accountable. That is very, very important. Make yourself accountable so that you do not fall off the track. And even if you do fall off the track, it's not the end of the world. It's part of it. The journey is always up, topsy-turvy, right? That's what they call it. So it's up and down, and that's how it goes. It's never a straight line. Never ever. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't be fooled by whatever it is you see. Always acknowledge the phase of life that you are in. When I had 2 boys, it was different. I had time. I had the luxury of time to always go to the gym and all of that. But now, and then when I had the luxury of time to go to the gym, you can imagine I was all ripped and everything. But I'm not bothered, because right now, in the phase of my life where I am, my priority is my family, my sanity, my mental health and everything. So I'm trying my best with what I can, using what I have and starting where I am, to just be as fit as I can. Okay, so when I have the chance again to hit the gym, I would definitely do that. But for now, I'm just going to stick with what I have. So let that be you also. Don't put yourself under any kind of unnecessary pressure, social media and all of that. Take that out. If you need a company of people that will help you to be consistent, to be accountable, then feel free to reach out to us at the FlexiMum Coach Company. That is what we do best. We have an amazing community that will help you to hit your goal, that will help you to follow up, that will help you to help your, we have support coaches that, follow you up and all of that. Amazing. We have a system that works. All right. So this is me shouting out to you. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed what we had to bring. I hope you are going to go get your copy of the fitness journal, the 30-day fitness body. Let's be your body. Let's be buddies. And would really, really love to have you on board on our team and crushing those goals. Okay, this will help you stay mindful. I hope this was a lot of fun to you. Please, if it was, drop a comment in the comment section. We want to be able to reach out, chat, and let's talk more. I love to talk. This is all I do. This is what I do for a living. I could talk and talk and talk, but let's not go let's not go on there. All right, so please reach out to me on Instagram at the FlexiMum Coach, or if you want to reach out to me personally at Idala Ogufere. And also I'm on LinkedIn at Idala Ogufere. I'll be longing to see you. Reach out to me via DM, and I'm your girl. All right, so have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.